Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Bubba Gaming, and this is just a little compilation of me doing my head swap. I've got a couple videos built up here, so I'm just going to upload them as they go. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll keep up the content. I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, guys. It's been really stressful. I just got done with school. I'm working a full-time job. There's a lot of stuff going on in my life, so I just appreciate you guys for hanging with me, and yeah, enjoy. I also wanted to give a big thank you to Grease Monkey Mods for being a big inspiration of mine to get this car going. Without him, I probably would not get out there any day that it's nice out and actually get working on it. So I really appreciate him uploading his content and showing the struggles that he goes through when he's working on his car as well. Because it's not an easy process, guys. These are old cars. What's up, guys? So first part of this head swap, we're going to be taking off the intercooler piping here, and then I think I'm going to work on getting my breathers taken off, and then I don't know, I think we're just going to work around in a big old circle and start pulling shit apart. Guys, so we got a lot of the stuff taken off here. Sorry, my screen's like zoomed in. I'm filming this on my phone, but we got a lot of things labeled and kind of pulled back a little bit. We got the oil out of it. I'm currently draining the coolant, and we're probably gonna yank this guy off next after I take the oil drain off. That, and then maybe some coolant lines, and then get this puppy off. Getting the coolant drained. So once that's done, I'm gonna pull off these. Pull off the radiator hoses. I already disconnected the battery. Yeah, and then we're gonna start pulling off the IAC valve shit. I've already got all my plugs unplugged as far as I know. Blow off. Got some other stuff unplugged. Got the coolant drained. I set the motor to TDC, so we got that going. Yeah, I think we're just gonna go ahead and pull more coolant lines off and get this manifold off right here and see what happens. We got the turbo and manifold off. I'm gonna clean up my block a little bit. Yeah, I think we're going to start with the coolant hoses now, get most of that shit off, and then pull the valve cover off. I just don't have it off right now so I can keep shit out of it, because I believe I'll be throwing this head on my buddy's car, so he can have some of that VTEC life. So we got everything disconnected, I think. Got our timing belt loose. We just need to do our head studs. They're ARP head studs. Man, this is fucking gross. Dude, this is disgusting, man. We just got the head studs cracked loose, and right now we are getting everything taken apart so we can get this head off. And I'm actually talking to the guy about getting my intake, so I can go ahead and maybe possibly throw this guy back on today, but need to get some parts off underneath there so we can weld them up. I'm going to do the PCV catch can so I can delete that on the intake. Yeah, so we're getting there. Alright guys, we got all the head nuts off. We're going to take the timing belt off. I guess I could do that with you guys here. Just one side by one side. And I actually just got the intake manifold from my buddy. So we do that, but I am waiting on the intake manifold gasket and the throttle body for it. So can't do that quite yet. We got the timing belt off. And this is disconnected, so I believe we're good to go. Yeah, let's see what happens. There we have it. Hell yeah. My dog and I are making a trip to the parts store. Get some oil, get a hose for my IAC valve, and probably some coolant and other shit. So yeah, see when I get all that. Okay, so we got the oil and everything. I'm getting a new ratchet, pretty sick. But now I just took this little black box off the back of the block. I also put a new oil feed line on. But I took this little rubber thing out of there. And I'm gonna weld a stainless steel -10 bung out of there so I can run it to my catch can. I just need to drill a hole in there. And then we'll have more breathing points for our motor. Excuse my dog. We got our surface all prepped up. We got our bung, and see how easy and nice that fits in there. I'm actually gonna have to flux core weld it. Because I cannot, for the life of me, find a TIG welder. Hey, Gato! Shut your mouth! So guys, got that little, got that little bung on there. I really hope it's gonna fit with this hose right here. I kind of just did it in the stock spot. And my catch can's right there, so I'm gonna have to kind of go. But that's no big deal. I can get that set up. I just gotta make sure that I can get a fitting on there. So, be right back. That is so close.